Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you want to write equations in Notion quickly and easily, especially inline equations, this tutorial is just what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add mathematical expressions right into your Notion pages, whether you're taking notes for class, building a study guide, or organizing information for a scientific project. Let's jump straight into it, and I'll walk you through every step with plenty of tips along the way. First things first, let's talk about how Notion handles equations. Notion supports LaTeX syntax for entering equations, which is basically a special code for typing math symbols and formulas, but it's made super approachable by Notion's inline equation feature. Now, whenever you want to put an equation right alongside your regular text, here's what you do. On your Notion page, you'll want to type a / just like this. This is Notion's command for bringing up its quick add menu, a powerful way of adding all sorts of format options and features to your page. So, go ahead and type /inline equation. As soon as you start typing this, you'll see Notion suggests the option, and you can either click it or press Enter to select it. The inline equation block will pop up wherever your cursor is, nestled right into your normal paragraph or notes. Now, here's where the magic happens. Typing the actual equation. Inside this special equation field, you can write any math expression you want. Let's use the famous equation E equals mc squared as our example. In LaTeX, that looks like this, EXMC at 2. So, type that in, and you'll instantly see Notion render the equation with correct formatting. The c squared is shown as a real exponent, just as you'd expect in a textbook or scientific paper. It's neat, clean, and blends right in with the rest of your content. If you're new to equations, don't worry if the syntax feels intimidating at first. Just take it step by step. For exponents, you use the caret symbol C, and for fractions, you'd use a / inside parentheses, like AB for a divided by B. Notion supports a lot of classic LaTeX expressions, so you're not limited to just simple equations. Take a moment to play around and try different formulas. You might type x2 plus 3x plus 2, or even something more complex like frac b+. Each time, Notion will render it properly. And if you make a mistake, it's as easy as clicking back into the equation and editing. No need to start over. Thinking ahead, maybe you want to add more than just a single equation. That's absolutely fine. You can insert multiple inline equations in a paragraph, or even within lists. Just repeat the steps, typing /inline equation wherever you need. This is fantastic for detailed note-taking, where you want to mix your thoughts and calculations side by side. Don't worry if things don't look perfect right away. This part sometimes takes a few tries to get accustomed to, and everyone learns best by experimenting. And remember, if you ever need to review an equation or update it, just click on it and start editing. The changes will appear immediately. So that's pretty much it. You've learned how to add inline equations in Notion in just a few quick steps. Having this feature at your fingertips will make your notes, reports, or study sessions much more organized and professional. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more easy Notion tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or if there's a specific type of equation you need help with. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.